verify Coinbase account step by step. So first thing first guys, since I don't have an access to create a Coinbase account in my region, I'll be using screenshot and official information from Coinbase to walk you through the process. Now to verify Coinbase account, what you have to do is open the Coinbase app on your mobile device, then log into your account. Now once logged in, navigate to the 9-dot menu in the top left corner of your screen, then go to settings and then choose identity verification. Then provide your legal first and last name, date of birth, address and citizenship precisely as they appear on your official identification documents. Then select your ID type. Choose your document type such as a driver's license, state ID or a passport. Then use a mobile camera or webcam to take clear, well-lit photos of the front and back of your ID card, ensuring no corners are cut off. Then follow the prompts to submit a live selfie or video confirmation to verify that your face matches the uploaded ID. Now wait for the review. Submission results typically process within a few minutes to 24 hours and you will receive an email notification once completed. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.